A problem-solving model is essential to MTSS because you can have mounds of data, interventions, and structures at your disposal, but if your students are not improving academically, a process to make modifications or changes is critical. There are many problem-solving models currently being used in schools, and no one model is perfect. But more importantly, is that the model is used regularly throughout the school year. MDE advocates their own problem-solving model, of which they have coined the instructional learning cycle. This cycle is general education focused or all students. It is used systematically 3 or 4 times a year. The goal is to analyze and identify problems of practice or processes that are not producing the expected growth. Ultimately, in order to reach expected growth, the ILC guides decision making to develop plans of action to improve MTSS processes. This, of course, is a collaborative problem-solving model. In the ILC cycle, a teacher team, with leadership support, first identifies an academic or behavioral area they wish to improve. In meeting 1, the team develops consensus around the ILC goals and develops or identifies a pre-assessment and post-assessment tools. Before the team meets again, teachers then administer the pre-assessment and analyze the results. In meeting 2, the team analyzes the data from the pre-assessment as a team and develops a plan of action consisting of a strategy or strategies to support students with until the team meets again. The teachers teach the strategy at the end of this cycle before meeting number 3. Teachers administer the post-assessment. In meeting number 3, the team essentially analyzes the data from the pre and the post-assessments and identify what corrective actions are necessary before repeating the whole cycle over again to stay focused on the same behavioral or academic issues for another cycle, or if progress is satisfactory, move on to a new issue. Take a moment and consider the following questions. Do you have a problem-solving process in place? Often these processes are associated with your school improvement plan. If so, does your model have a formal meeting structure identified within the ILC framework? And then lastly, what staff would be critical to the success of an ILC structure in your school? You want to be sure to have as many teachers included as possible, because as they go through the process, they're improving the strategies that they use within their class, therefore affecting more students and therefore making the process even more effective.